Velu, owner of the Friends Car Accessories and Kovilambakkam. I have one more branch in Omr also. I have been dealing with 25 years in the car accessories field. We are having the car accessories, seat covers, alloy wheels, ceramic coating, PPF, and car audio, speakers. So many products in my shop. We are dealing with the only branded item, and Pioneer is a major contribution for the more than 20 years.
Hi, my name is Subbu. I have got two vehicles.
One is the Nexa and one is the Vento.
And both were fitted with OE music systems. They were very flashy, looking good, but unfortunately there was no output out of it. Nothing that we wanted. So I asked my best friend what is the best way we can solve it. He recommended a product from Pioneer.
The customer wants the best audio system for Apple CarPlay and YouTube, watching sometimes the cricket. So I'll suggest to Pioneer the 6650BT. It is working with the best quality of audio output and screen quality also.
Hi, this is Kishore from FCA Kovilambakkam. Now going to fix Pioneer 6650BT on Tata Nexon.
This product not only gives the output to the proper speakers, it also allows you with a lot of your human interaction with the system by itself. You can use Android Auto, you can use Apple CarPlay, you can watch YouTube, you can watch your Hotstar. So your kids are always entertained when you are actually traveling. After the first car, second car also is getting fitted with the same system. I humbly and strongly recommend this product for anybody who is looking, and it is extremely pocket friendly. The performance is way beyond your imagination.
So comparison other product is the very best in audio output in the Pioneer.
It's not just music, it's the experience that is giving you. Thank you, Velu sir, for recommending this product. It's fantastic. Thank you again.